Hello, good afternoon, students. I hope you all are fine. In last period, we had seen more information about George Well, the author, who is the author of Animal Farm. Today, we are going to see the details, more details about this particular novel. This particular novel, Animal Farm, is called as a, in literature words, it is an allegorical novel, it is a satire, it is a fable. So let us understand first what is meant by allegory. So allegory means it contains two levels of meaning. One is surface level meaning and another one is hidden meaning. So that is allegory. Then satire. So satire means mocking something or making fun of something, ridicule something. So basically, Russian Revolution was considered as a satire here. The author was mocking on the characters of Russian Revolution, the leaders. And then fable. Fable means a story which is presented with the help of the animal characters. So I hope everybody has understood. Yeah. So thank you so much. Yeah. Bye.